Promise. Stretch your dreams out to sea. Let them dance on silver waves. Let them flow into depths unknown, undreamt, before swimming back with water's deep wisdom. We are the making of memories. And what thoughts will we leave on the souls of ancient trees? Because they have seen it all. Our moments of failure, our detachment from nature, and division based on a fear of difference. Let us be together. We are wild flowers, in tune and charm. It's no secret that the world is better in love, and our slice of earth's curve is a kind one. We know this from the streams of languages that tickle our streets, and the songs that spill from mellow hills in search of hearts to welcome. Let's weave the natural world into the blueprints of our developments. Our future is based on our approach to intelligence, to science and education, to health, security, equality and compassion. Let's listen in and open up to the sharpness that sparks our creations. Let this home be our precious stone. In the promise of today, let us shape tomorrow.